Can you really transform your smile for under $40 with a product that claims to fix missing, crooked, or stained teeth? The Diystar Moldable Denture has been making waves online, marketing itself as a budget-friendly, professional-grade solution that looks natural and fits easily in your mouth, no dentist visit required. But is it the miracle it claims to be, or just another overhyped product preying on people desperate for a quick fix? Let's dig deeper into the facts behind the flashy promises. First off, the company says it's been in business for 8 years, which should inspire trust, but a quick check reveals their website was only created in May 2025. That kind of inconsistency raises major concerns about the brand's transparency. Then there's the lack of scientific support. The product boasts about being professional grade, yet there's no FDA ARADA approval, no clinical data, and absolutely zero endorsements from dental professionals. Any real dental product would typically come with clear guidelines, safety information, and some form of regulation, but Diystar offers none of that. What's worse is the marketing. The before and after photos are obviously just stock images or recycled photos with no connection to real customers. And when we tried to find genuine reviews on platforms like Trustpilot or independent forums, we came up empty-handed. The internet is full of bold claims, but this one has no verified customer experiences to back it up, which is a huge red flag. That said, it's not a complete scam. If you're looking for a short-term cosmetic solution, like for a costume or a photo shoot, you might find some temporary value. But for those hoping to replace a trip to the dentist with this moldable denture, it's important to keep your expectations grounded. It's not a complete disaster, but it's definitely not the dental miracle it claims to be. If you're still considering it, make sure to do your own research and check out the tagged link in this video to see the product for yourself.